So I had been thinking about making this video for a little while, and I was wondering what I should do this week for a video. And then I wander into the grocery store, and after I check out, right in front of me I see this. Now here's why that's a big deal. The more you start seeing stuff like this in little itty bitty grocery stores, it really legitimizes cryptocurrency in people's minds. They see it as, something that's normal rather than some weird criminal currency that crypto used to be seen as. I used to call it the preferred currency of criminals, just as a joke when I was talking about it with my friend. But it's really, in the last year, become a lot more legit. Maybe the last 2 years it's become a lot more legit. So in a previous video, I said that cryptocurrency and stocks had helped me become a stay-at-home mom. And I mentioned that at around October or November of 2020, I could tell crypto was going to start heating up. How could I tell? I'll tell you how I could tell. All of a sudden, people were taking it seriously. It was all of a sudden something you could buy on PayPal. PayPal had never offered that before. If you can buy it on PayPal, people are like, oh, yeah, that's totally normal. PayPal is like a trusted service that I use all the time. I don't use PayPal, but people in general. And so it really makes it feel more normal and legitimized in people's minds. The other thing that started happening around that same time is hedge funds started including it in their investment portfolios, which really makes it seem legit to a lot of people. And the more people that are believing in it and seeing it as a legitimate currency, the more it's going to continue to go up in value. So this video is going to give you 3 simple steps for investing in cryptocurrency so that you can ensure that you're going to be successful long term. So the first thing you need to do, if you're very new at this and you're a total beginner, is you need to set up an account where you can buy and sell crypto. And yeah, like I said, you can do it on PayPal. But the account that I've been using since I've been buying crypto, and I've been using it for stocks since 2018, is on Robinhood. So in the description below, I'll provide a link, and you can use that link to sign up for Robinhood. You'll get a little incentive or reward, maybe of just a few dollars, and it would also help me out too if you use that referral link. So cool, thanks for that. Now the next thing you want to do is only invest money you can do without. You don't want to be worried about whether or not it's going to go up or go down. That's too stressful. So the way I explained it to a friend is, if it's something I could spend on a dress, or something I could spend going out to eat, and just spend it and never think about it again and not be worried about it, rather than spend it on a dress right now, or spend it on going out to eat right now, I'm going to invest it in crypto. It's going to go up. What I said at the time, back in November of 2020, is it's going to triple, and then I will go ahead and buy myself a dress after that. It didn't triple. It didn't quadruple. It quintupled after that. God, it was really great. I wasn't anticipating it to go up as much as it did, as fast as it did, but it did. And right now it is March of 2022, and with the way it's becoming more and more legit, like you saw all of those Super Bowl commercials recently, it's just all over the place, cryptocurrency. It's becoming such a huge normal part of our culture. And then you've got all of these people who are getting their tax returns right now. I imagine with the way things are going, more people are going to be investing in crypto right now. So we're going to see a little bit of a spike in the near future. Right now it's a bit of a dip, so it's a good time to buy. Now, that is my second tip. Only invest what you can do without. But the third tip is don't try to time the market. I mean, I've had some good luck with that, but it's really just luck and guessing. I mean, there is some strategy and there is some understanding patterns, but I really think the best thing to do is really just to, what I'm going to say, my third tip is, set it and forget it. So on Robinhood, there's an option for you to set up reoccurring investments. So let's say you can afford easily to cut out going out to eat once or twice a month. What does that come out to for you? I don't know where you like to go to eat and how much you spend on it, but if you want to spend, like $50 or $60 or $70 or $80 a month on going out to eat, but you can cut that out and invest it right now, then you could put a reoccurring investment in place for that same amount and just have it go in automatically. Now the reason for this, why I think it's a better thing than trying to time the market, is you can try to buy the dips. And you can try to sell at the highest possible point. And I've had some pretty good luck with that, but you know, it's kind of a lot more stressful if you just set it and forget it and don't look at it all the time. It's going to go up over time. That's the whole premise, is not expecting to get rich overnight, but seeing a return on your investment over a period of years. And just don't stress about it. Just what money you can do without, put it in there on a reoccurring basis and just let it go up over time. So those are my 3 tips. Free brokerage account through Robinhood. Use my link below. Thanks. Use money you can do without. If you could just spend it on a dress or going out to eat and never worry about it again, that's the money to use. And then set it and forget it. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel because I could really use the support. Alright, I wish you all the best.